What's up guys, welcome back to the question set 19 of dbms 1, which is the continuation of the previous question set, which is 18. So let's start the question. Question 1 says, two new students have been admitted to the grade 11 of the school. Their details are listed in the table below. Enter that information in the student table. So let's set So the next question says, index number student 2. Student's last name should be changed to Moses. Write the SQL query. So the student's last name should be changed to Moses. So here we have to write an update query. So this is the update query. Update student set last name. Here we set the last name to Moses, where the index number is student 4, and let's execute the statement and see whether it has been updated. Here you can see among the Moses, so it has been updated. So next, move on to the next question. Natasha Vimalasena's student's contact number should be changed to this number, and write the relevant SQL query. So here also we have to write the update query. So this is the update query relevant for the question number 3. So here it says update student set. Here we are going to set the contact number to this number, where the first name and the last name are Natasha and Vimasena. And let's execute it and see whether it is correct. Here it has been updated. And to the next question, Natasha Vimlasena transferred schools before the first term examination. Therefore, remove the information about the student from the student table. So here we have to execute a delete query. So delete. So this is the delete query relevant for the question. Delete from student where the first name is Natasha and the last name is Vimala Sen. So let's execute this statement and see. So this is the Natasha Vimala Sen record. So it has been updated. It has been updated. And to the next question, find out the details of all the students in the school. So here we have to write a search query. It is quite simple. So this is the search query. Select all from student table. Here you can see all the details of the students. The next question. Find the marks of student mathematics subject of all students in the first term. Find the marks of subject maths of all the students in the first term test. So here we have to select three tables, which are student exam mark record table, student table, subject table, and exam turn table. Here we are going to use inner join to join all the tables together. This is going to be a long query. So this is the search query, which is quite long, and here it says select marks from student exam mark record, and here we are going to join the student table on the condition. This is the condition, and again we are going to join another table, which is subject table, and the condition. Then again we are joining the exam term table and the condition, where subject and subject name. Subject name, it should be mathematics, and the term should be first term as in the question, first term, and the subject maths. So let's execute and see. So here we can see all the marks obtained by the students for the subject mathematics. So the seventh question, find all the marks obtained by all the students in the first term in Sinhala language and literature subject. So it is got the same question as the previous one. Here I have only changed the subject name and the term. So here are the marks obtained by all the students in the first term from the subject Sinhala language and literature. And in the eighth question, Amanth Vijay Singh entered another score from this school before the first term examination, due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore, remove the information on the student from the student table. So here we have to execute a delete query. On the which is in delete from student, where first name equals Amandi and the last name equals Jason. Here we are missing an apostrophe. Amandi which is single. So it has been deleted, as you can see. So that's it for the question set 90. See you soon.